Safely removing an MCC bucket with Secure Connect is a quick and easy process. The first step is to ensure you're wearing PPE that's rated for the hazards involved. Make sure that the disconnect handle is in the off position, then slide the shaft port cover open. Insert a 1/4 inch hex tool into the shaft port and rotate the wrench counterclockwise to retract the power stabs. Notice that the indicator next to the handle changes from red to green. Remove the cover from the status port and use a multimeter to verify that the stabs are disconnected and the shutter is closed. For more information, reference the Centerline 2100 low voltage MCC installation instructions in the link below. After verifying power is removed, turn the spring latches to open the door and remove the bucket. Depending on your bucket configuration, you may need to remove additional wires or terminals. For more information regarding the Centerline 2100 MCC, reach out to your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.